Hey guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So ang topic natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-loan sa Metrobank. So let's say gusto natin mag-loan, so pwede yun siya through online. So kahit hindi na tayo pupunta dun sa office, so makaka-loan tayo. So ang gagawin natin lang is hintay natin yung approval ni Metrobank. Okay, so first open natin itong Chrome. Ayan. Then search natin Metrobank Personal Loan. Ayan. So ito yung lalabas. So dito tayo sa Apply Metrobank Personal Loans. Ayan. Okay, so ayan. So dito tayo sa Apply Now. So since this is the first time na mag-apply tayo, so dyan tayo. And then basahin natin daw, are you a existing Metrobank client? So kung meron tayong Metrobank credit card, so dito tayo sa yes. So kung meron tayong deposit account, so dito tayo sa yes. Ayan, yes, I have a Metrobank deposit account. So kung first time natin, so wala pa tayong account or wala pa tayong debit card or credit card sa Metrobank. So dito tayo sa no, I am not an existing Metrobank client. Okay? So dito lang tayo sa no, I am not an existing Metrobank client. So i-click natin yan. Okay, so ayan. So ngayon, ipipill up natin to guys. So madali lang talaga guys kasi online na siya. So ayan, lahat ng may asterisk dyan guys, ibig sabihin yan, kailangan natin lagyan ng details. So loan amount, so let's say 100,000. So yung first name natin. Okay, so yung middle name, that is optional kasi walang nakalagay na asterisk. Ayan. Then, active email address natin. Okay. Ayan. Then, mobile number natin. So, hindi na natin isali yung 0. Ayan. Then, birthday natin. Okay, so 09 16 Okay, so ayan. Then ID natin guys. So kung ano yung gagamitin natin, so let's say yung TIN. Ilalagay natin yung TIN number natin. Okay, so check lang natin itong box. Then next lang tayo. Okay, so ayan. So I am Rodin, your online reference number or yung ORN can be viewed below. You may use this number to check the status of your application. Okay, so i-copy lang natin to. Ayan. Okay, so next, fill up natin to. Yung present address natin, guys. Okay, so let's say, so this is sample only, guys. Okay. Ayan. Select natin yung present address natin. Okay. So this is optional. So dito tayo sa other information. Yung phone number natin. So that is telephone guys. Then gender. Ayan. Then education, so college graduate. place of birth, ayan. So ayan, then next lang tayo. Okay. So next yung source of funds. So let's say employed tayo. Ayan, regular. Then occupation. Computer programmer, ayan. Okay, so yung company natin. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, yung telephone number, yung email address. Ayan. So years working total, so let's say 5 years. So 5 years. So gross monthly income, so that is 20,000. So this is sample only. Employer address. Ayan. Okay. Mindanao, then Cotabato. So let's say sa town. Ayan. Then next lang tayo. Okay. So you are qualified to proceed. I-back lang natin guys pag lalabas yun siya. Okay, so ayan. So no lang. So no lang, then upload documents. So select ID guys. So yung passport natin. Then take a photo. Okay, so okay lang natin. Ayan. So wait lang natin guys kasi uploading na siya. Okay, so ayan. Thank you, Rudin. You have successfully completed your personal loan application. We will process this within 7 to 10 business days. To check the status of your application, you may send an email to customerservice@metrobankcard.com and provide your online reference number. You may also call our customer service hotline at ayan. So ito yung telephone number nila guys. So kailangan natin maghintay ng 7 days to 10 business days para sa status ng ating loan or yung personal loans. Ang mahalaga dito guys is yung ating online reference number. So isi-save natin yan guys. So ayan sa taas, sa pinakataas. So isi-save natin yan kasi kailangan yan siya pag let's say tatawag tayo dun sa kanila. So hihingi nila yung online reference number natin, okay? So para makita yung status ng ating loan, so yan lang yung gagamitin natin, yung online reference number, okay? So ganun lang. Again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and wassalam.